Hello everyone, I am Nisarg Chauhan. I am first year MBBS student and today we will learn about how to perform intradermal injections. Intradermal injections are injected directly into the dermis just below the epidermis. The intradermal injection route has the longest absorption time among the other routes. So first of all, we will see the steps to perform the intradermal injections. The first step is to perform our hand hygiene. So here we have an alcohol based sanitizer. We have to perform our hand hygiene and to gather all the medication supplies that we need. Second step is to perform the solution that we have to inject in the patient's body. Third step is to close the door or pull the bedside curtains so the patient gets his privacy and becomes comfortable. After that, we have to inform the patient about the contraindications of the medicine so that assessment is a prerequisite for every medication which is given to the patient. After that, we have to select the appropriate site for administration of the injection. We have to assist the patient to the appropriate position as per required. The site should be free from lesions, rashes or any kind of abnormal things on the skin. Selecting the correct site allows for accurate reading of the test site at the appropriate time. After that, we have to perform our hand hygiene and apply the non-sterile gloves. The gloves prevent our. After that, we have to clean the administration site with alcohol-based swab or antiseptic swab or alcohol balls, and then it is necessary to do this step because the needle poke opens the skin allowing pathogens to enter. Cleaning the skin reduces the pathogens. Allowing the antiseptic to dry renders it effect. In addition, wet alcohol on the skin during the injection can be irritating and uncomfortable. So, we have to allow the site to dry. After that, we will remove the needle from cap by pulling it off in a straight motion, which decreases the risk of accidental needle stick injury. And by using your non-dominant hand, spread the skin over the injection site. After spreading the skin, hold the syringe. After spreading the skin, hold the syringe in the dominant hand between the thumb and forefinger with the bevel of the needle up. This allows the easy handling of the syringe. Hold the syringe at 5 to 50 degree angle from the site of administration. Place the needle almost flat against the patient's body by keeping bevel side up and insert needle into the skin. Insert the needle only about 1/4 with the entire bevel under the skin. Once the syringe is in the place, slowly inject the solution while watching from a small bulb to appear. The presence of bulb indicates that the medication is in the dermis. Withdraw the needle at the site at the same angle as the insertion. Engage safety shield or needle guard and discard in a sharps container. Do not massage the area of administration after applying the injection. Discard the remaining supplies, remove gloves and perform hand hygiene again. This prevents the spread of microorganisms. After that, document the procedure and findings. Check the patient's response to injection within appropriate time frame. The patient will need to be evaluated for therapeutic and adverse effects of the medication or solution.